Hi guys, how you doing? Hope everyone's feeling fabulous today. I'm going to be doing a straight hair tutorial for you guys. I asked everyone on Instagram if they'd like to see what I do. You guys said, yeah, you'd like to see it, so this is me giving it a try. I am no expert, but I am going to try and show you what I use to try to prevent heat damage. To be honest, I haven't straightened my hair in quite a while. The last time I got it straightened was in December. I'm pretty sure there was quite a bit of heat damage there. But I am going to be showing you what products I'm going to use just to try and prevent any of that happening. And you know, this is basically for me to just, you know, try something different because I've had braids in for about a month now, and I just want to, I don't know, check how long my hair is. Because I mean, obviously curly, you can't really see how long it's getting. I do pull it down and try and, like, you know, stretch it to see where it's at, but I mean, fingers crossed guys, fingers crossed. But I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and yeah, stay tuned and subscribe if you like what you see. I'd really appreciate it, and I'd love for you to come on this journey with me. Before using heat on your hair, it's always a good idea to allow it to absorb as much protein as possible, and in this case I used some deep conditioner last night after taking out my braids, and now I'm just going to put in some leave-in just to add to that. Try to always use a heat protectant because it forms a protective barrier around your hair cuticle, and it reduces the amount of moisture that's lost after you've applied that heat to it. Just a styling note, make sure you don't use this on the highest temperature because you do want to make sure you do everything you can to prevent heat damage. Okay, now comes the fun part. Finally, we're straightening the hair, and just want to let you know that I just used this on the maximum heat setting because this heat protectant says it protects up to 230 degrees, so I was quite happy to go ahead, and it straightened my hair out pretty well as well. So I don't know, you guys tell me, what do you think of the results? I'm going to put in the links below for this hairdryer and the straightener just in case you guys are on the lookout for any of them. I am actually not sure at all why I went over this with a blow dryer. Maybe to fluff it out, I don't even know, but I did it and I guess I'm done now. And that is how I straighten my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. I know it's not bone straight. I know my ends really need to get a cut, a trim. I haven't had a cut in a while and it's just something I need to do. But you know, I still like it. I do think maybe next time I'll use a bit less of that leave-in conditioner just because it does feel a little bit heavy. Oh, I'm quite happy with this. Oh, I'm quite happy with this. You know? And I'm quite happy with my length, like, wow. The back, like, obviously, like, the hair at the back of my head is longer than the front. I hope you guys, you know, liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I just hope that you guys, you know, gain something from watching my videos. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, whatever it may be, wherever you're watching this, and bye-bye.